Hello everyone. In this tutorial we will learn about how to generate QR code and how to download it. As you can see, here is my project example, and you can see I generate QR code in here, and you can click download in here. Okay, so now how to do that? I have my step how to do it in my GitHub, and I will share this code below my videos. Okay, you can go and to see it more detail, and you just copy the code and generate step by step. Okay, so now let's go to testing together, and you can see here is my note. So before you start this project, you need to make sure that you install images already. Okay, so in this case I have already installed images in my PC, so this case I can practice with this project. Okay, so step one, you create Laravel project. So we have two ways to create it. You can create by composer, and if you have installed the Laravel installer, you can create like this, like Laravel new and the project name. Okay, so in this case I have already installed the Laravel installer, so I just go to cmd and I want to create my project in dry C. So I go to C dry, and I create Laravel new L9 or code. Okay, this is my project name. Enter it. Okay, now I install the Laravel project already. So now I use my Visual Studio Code to develop this project. So this is my Visual Code. So let me open that project that I have created recently. So open folder, and I'm looking for L9 QR codes. Okay, select on it and open this folder. Okay, this is my new project in here. So now we move to another step. We go to step 2, install the package and configure. So we need to install the QR code package. This is the QR code package, and then we have a little bit configure in app.php. Okay, so now we start to install the QR code package. So I go to the project, I go to new terminal. If you use cmd in here, you need to go inside the project, but in this case I use a Visual Code, so I just click on new terminal and it will go into the project by default. So now I pass the command and I install the QR code package. Okay, now it's complete for install the QR code package. Now we do the configuration. As you can see here, you go to config app.php, and we will insert this code in the providers and also a list in here. So let me go to config app. We're looking for provider. Scroll it down. Okay, this is provider, and we will put the code in here. So let me go to copy this code and pass in here, and then we go to a list in here, and we can copy this code and pass in here, and now we save it. Okay, so we move to another step is basic usage. This is the basic usage and how to generate the QR code. In this QR code, and we set aside and generate, and this is the text that we insert the QR code. Okay, when we scan it, it will show this value. Okay, so we can set aside QR code image like this, and also we can set the background color also. This is the basic usage only. So now we move to step 4. We need to create one controller and we write one function. Okay, this is the function name and the code for return u. Okay, so this is my controller. I go to my project again. I need to go to new terminal and I created php artisan makes controllers. My controller is QR controllers. That finished. So I go to inside the controllers, click on it, and I copy one function in here. My function name is generate. So like this, and I save it. Okay. We move to another step. Step 5. We create one route for this function. So this is the route. I just copy it, and I go to route. We go to route and web.php, and I pass my code here and save it. Okay, so this is route for running the function generate, and we move to the next step is generate inlet template. So this is in the function we return u QR code. So this is the blade name. Okay, so we need to create one blade template in here. This is the source code. So let me create the blade templates. I go to the resource. Go to resource u and right click in here, new file, and I just put QR code.blade.php, and I copy this code. Okay, copy this code. I pass in here, and I save it. Okay, so now let's start to run our project. We just write in here also php artisan self. Okay, and we debug it. Let me close this one, and we go to the route name is generate. Okay, I forgot to import the controller name in route. So in route here, don't forget you use app slash http controllers and QR controller. Okay, save it and I refresh again. Sorry. Okay, that fine. It is my QR code, and you can click download in here. Just click on it, you can see like this. So now we can test with the basics usage in here. For example, like I want to set the background color in here, so I just copy this and I go to the black template. I comment this. So sorry, just comment this and I write Pass it in here. Now I refresh the projects. Okay, you can see here we can set the background color also. Yes, so alright, that is finished for my presentation about how to generate and download QR code. So thank you for watching.